So guys, announcing the date for the crash course for 2022 batch. I mean, if you are attempting GATE 2022, so for you, I have scheduled the batch now. So with two revisions, so crash course is scheduled. So in November month, I will be taking entire mathematics, engineering mathematics with verbal and numerical ability. These things are known as GA, general ability, and engineering mathematics. Now in December month, after completing this in November month, I'll be taking core subjects in December month. So there I'll be taking every subject: aircraft structure, propulsion, aerodynamics, flight mechanics, space dynamics, rocket propulsion. They all are 6 core subjects they ask in GATE exam. Now complete entire course, they whatever I will teach here, it will be especially designed for GATE preparation. Okay, so it will boost your study. So actually, earlier I decided to take crash course in December month, because every year I take crash course in December month. But because now this year schedule was very good, and now in November month for the regular batch, I am taking math and GA in November month. So I thought, why not even crash course batch students can join this regular batch. So for the crash course batch, it is beneficial now. If you are joining in November month, then you can attend the November month classes for the math and verbal. Actually this class is for the regular batch, but even crash course student can join this. In December month I will not teach this math and verbal part. Okay, so if you are watching this video late, because I am planning to start this crash course batch from November 1st. So November 1st will be the date for the crash course batch, and if you are joining this batch late, then videos will be available for every subject, for math, verbal aptitude, English, reasoning, everything. Videos will be available, and if you're joining late, I will give you the videos. And even though it is my duty to give all the videos, so I'll be giving you all the videos. So subject wise, everything clear what I'm going to teach. And now you see what are the things this course will contain. For the crash course I'm talking, not for the regular batch. Okay, for regular batch we have a lot more, but because in the crash course time is less, only 3 months are remaining: November, December, January. So you see, live class, it means on Zoom you have to come for the live class. Okay, in November month and December month, and for 2 revisions as well. So revision part will go in January month. Okay, and then recorded videos of the live class of the crash course, means whatever I will teach you in the live class of the crash course, everything will be recorded, and that will be available for you for the next day revision or whenever you want to revise. Okay, now I will also give you the recorded lectures whatever I have taught in my regular batch. The batch is running from the Feb month, Feb March, right? Remember, we started in the Feb month, the regular batch. So those video courses also I will include if you will be interested in that course. Okay, that if you say that, sir, I want that course also, then I will give you that course also. Then what are the PDFs I will provide? I will provide handwritten notes. I will provide some selected important numericals for the crash course batch, and I will also provide formula sheet. I will also provide PYQ solutions. I will also provide all the books, whatever books are there. Everything is written, is kept on my drive. So just I will add your Gmail into the drive, that's all. You can access them. And one thing, whatever I will provide, that will get over after GATE exam. Okay, so I mean after GATE exam you cannot access anything. Now you see, in test series, I am planning for 250 test series, because whatever students they have purchased test series, I have promised them to provide 250 test series. But right now all the 250 test series I have not activated, and around 60 plus test series are activated. Remaining in bulk I am activating. So by the end of November all the 250 test series will be activated. In that, what kind of test series will be there? And one more thing, all the questions will be new, and they are not copied from any source. They all are my own made questions, and one questions will be equal to 4 or 5 questions. That kind of concepts and twisted questions I have created. So if you are solving one question, then you can crack that question. It means you are able to understand the concept very well. So just by keeping the concept in mind, I have created such beautiful questions. Every test series when you will solve, you will feel wow. If you will purchase test series alone, if you are not joining my course, then the test series cost will be 4k, 4,000 rupees. Now you see, whatever I am giving in test series, I am giving topic wise test series, chapter wise test series, subject wise test series, and full length test series. Now for the GATE 2022 students, I have planned to give only 15 test series, because I am not having much time. But I will also be giving you, but for the coming batches, I'll see this 15 is included in this. in this 250 test series. Okay, so in this 250, 15 will be your full length and remaining will be your topic wise, chapter wise, subject wise, right? Okay, I hope you're clear now. So for upcoming years, like for 2023 and 2024, I will be free. Okay, because already test series are done, video courses are done, so I'll be free. So I will increase the number of full length test series. So I may go for 50 plus full length test series, but that is for the 2023. Because see guys, my test series is not copied from any sources. They are especially designed. All the questions I sit in library and I design them very well. Okay, so now see, and some I should not say, but many people, they are just copying the questions from NPTEL and they are pasting in the test series and they are selling the test series. So be aware of those type of people. Okay, and sometimes they are just copying from the questions from some standard books and just by changing the data they are putting the test series. So my test series is especially designed, and in my test series you don't have previous year test series. Okay, they are different. Previous test series, they are different. They are not included in 250. Previous year means from 2007 to 2021. These test series are not included in 250. 250 test series, they are completely new test series, and every question are properly explained and solution is there. So when you will submit the test series, you will be getting the solution properly. Okay, and you will be getting your scorecard as well after every test series. So one important thing, don't miss the description box, because I have given lot of things in description box. Properly arranged playlist is there. So you go to description box, all the important links are there, or you can access my YouTube channel itself. Okay, and you can if you're interested to join the crash course, contact as soon as possible. My contact number is +91 India code 6380135260, and crash course batch will start from November 1st. And actually I am about to finish my rocket propulsion. If the rocket propulsion will get over immediately in the last October, then from the 1st November itself I will start the crash course. But if this rocket propulsion will take 1 or 2 days more, then I will start my crash course from 2nd November or 3rd November. Okay, so like this. I hope you're understanding. That's all guys. Join immediately.